$10 raffle entry, 20 entries to start. That's what it is. Winner, show video, 2 to 4 minutes. Let's get it. P.S. man, why would I try to find money or ask my lady for money or try to get it or work for try to get the money to get a shoe to show somebody that's going to make 10 cents or 20 cents on ads, where even for 100 people come in, where I'm supposed to at least get $1, which is a penny a click, they don't even let the ad play. So I get nothing. So why would I keep doing that? Those days are over. Gotta use my brain. This is about trying to make something and make the people that do lose don't lose too much, and the people that win get hot stuff, and that I'm a credible platform. That's my job. That's what I always stay on to. Y'all, I need y'all. If nobody rocks, far as from subs to thumbs up to any rappers I try to do, and that's with anybody who try to do anything, if the crowd don't rock with you, then you're gone. I like my own videos. That's a good thing. So I'm always going to enjoy myself. But I'm here to make $1. That's what it's about. Trying to make $1 out of pennies. I take all the little pennies because I know I'm going to get that $1. But if I'm not going to get the $1, after a while, it's like I'm delinquent. I ain't get nothing. That ain't lit. That ain't the wave. That ain't the big drip. That's goofy. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for tuning in to another raffle. The raffles been, these last 3 raffles I just put out, I must say that 2 of them had enough entries, enough viewers that came in that the raffles could have started. So I'm happy on that note. But it still seems that everybody just watching, watching each other, watching to see what's going on. And you got to start your own wave, baby. You got to start your own wave. The same way you watched it, if you would have put in and put on the comments, I paid, and all the rest of them, like the last video on the Chinese New Year's, if the 30-something people would have all paid and put an eye in, just imagine the first 15 that watched it, and they all put in the money up on it and put I paid it in the comments, the other people, the other 15, 17 people, 20 people would have saw that and be like, oh, snap. Yo, this thing getting crucial. I'm going to go ahead and put in 2. Everybody's watching each other. You have to make the wave, baby. That's how you got to create the juice. You know what I'm saying? The juice is, the platform is there, man. You got all the fruits right there. Everybody coming in with their fruits. But they not leaving that juice in there. You got to leave that juice in there so everything be nice and sweet, baby. It's always, I try to make it to the best, and I try to get the littiest stuff, and I try to make sense with these stuff. I think about these raffles. These just ain't just coming out my butt. You know what I mean? This is coming out my head. I think of these stuff. Like, which way can I make this now? How can I do this? How much? Only working with a few, and it's better with that anyway because your chances are better. You don't wait for the big people. Do with the little, because in a while, that's how your you know what I mean, your odds is better. So it doesn't make sense to worry about that. Another thing is, I'm credible for 5, 10, 15, anything I put a raffle for. If you give me the change, I told you, the refund, if the drawing doesn't be and you need that money, you're going to get refunded right back that change. That's no doubt about it. You know what I mean? This business right here, this sneaker channel business is expensive business, bro. Me dealing with this business, if you look back to my first video, I always said sneakers are expensive. I don't like messing with sneakers. What this business would do to you. It'll have you having all these boxes up there. This is money. On this side right here, All these right here, these is not a lot, but it's a lot to me. It's 12 on each stack. So 36 shoes I wore already. On this side, it's 36 shoes that I didn't wear already. That's how I lace them up so my family know if anything ever happened, there's those shoes you can always sell back. Now the good thing with shoes, you can wear some of them for a while and still make money on GOAT and sell them back. Not make money as far as, oh, you're going to make a profit, but at least you can get something out of it. So you can just say if you bought Yeezys for $220, you can go ahead later on after wearing it for a while and still sell it for $100 on GOAT. So you get back half your money, and plus you got to wear it for a while. So sneakers right for these times that all these reseller companies in here is good for us. But yo, y'all want to always seem like y'all want to help the bigger people make more money. The bigger people who got all the stats, you want to help them more, who making mad dough. And then half of the time, half of them don't give you anything. Instead of the ones that have been trying and don't get nobody but still going. You know, I've been doing this and I ain't getting nothing. You know what I mean? Right now, I'm $100 in the hole far as money I got back from YouTube. I got $200, $100 each. You can get $100 every month. They'll pay you every month. I can't even get it paid every month because I can't make the $100 quota. That's the minimum. Right now I got $50. I can't even get the $50 until it turns to $100. Now, I'm credible for your thing. So, you know, stop watching, bro. You know, watching is beautiful, but let's get the thing to achieve. It's a raffle channel. If you don't want to be on the channel because you ain't into raffles or you ain't into gambling and stuff like that, this ain't for you, baby. Don't even waste your time. I'm a hustler. I deal with hustlers. We hustling. You know what I mean? People that want to get hookups and stuff like that. You know, you paid for a plane ticket, but you hope you know somebody at the hotel thing to hook you up or give you a better room. I'm about hookups. So that's what it's about. Put that dough in. You get that money back. I got Cash App and I got Google Wallet. Google Pay. Y'all probably be like, I don't know what Google Pay is owned by Google. Google, the search engine who pays YouTubers. Your favorite YouTubers. That's what Google is. Cash App is what all the chicks use. It's all day right there. Put your information down. Up on it. I told y'all, if you do it by Google Pay, you can leave a comment saying, yo, this money was for this raffle right here. Right there and thing. So if you had to take it to court, you had it written right there. That's why I set it up the way I set it up. And then on the Cash App, I don't know if you can write on the comment section. So what I said was, if it ain't, tell me and I'll send you the request of the money of the raffle entry. And then you will have that as a trace. That's how you gotta start looking at it, baby. Straight raffles. That's what it's all about, to try to get one of y'all to win. And like I said before, we all put in something to give somebody a chance to win all the time. That's what it's about. Everybody puts in a little bit to get somebody to win something. It's like a sasu. Right? People do at the jobs. They all put in the money so one time everybody can get paid at least one time. And on this here, on raffle and gambling, you might not win never, but somebody always win. And like I said, when you do the videos, guys, that's the way I do it. Do 2 to 4 minute video. You go ahead and send it to me. And then I'm going to put it on my video showing it. You always just show the shoe or the pants or the clothes or whatever it is and model it. 1, 2, 3, baby. And you send it to me. That's how we do it over here at the Raffle Channel. I'm out.